What's this? Broccoli. Everybody knows. This is part of cruciferous vegetables. Cauliflower, so many others, including cauliflower, cruciferous vegetables. And the king of all cruciferous vegetables is broccoli. This is not that much available all the year round. It's usually for 2 months or at best 3 months you can get it. When the winter is very strong, when the cold weather is strong, this broccoli is available in Bangladesh. And after the end of the winter season, you can't get it. You can freeze up, not that good. You can have a lot of broccoli within this period of 2 months. One thing is important: if you have hypothyroidism, if you have problem with thyroidism, then the problem is with broccoli. It can inhibit the production of thyroxine, thyroid hormone. So may not be that good. You can avoid if you have thyroid issue, or you can talk to your doctor. So how can you eat this broccoli? You can eat as salad. That can be the best. Don't cook it. You can cook and eat like a curry, no problem. It's your choice. But the thing is that when you cook it with the heat, the vitamins and minerals may reduce, may go away. That's why what's better, what's recommended is you have it as salad. But how can you make it? You cannot have salad raw because it may have some insects. It's not wise. So what you do is you can make a thing so that you can have it like a salad. So you have 2 parts. You can separate, you can cut from here, and this part you just peel off and you can make pieces and just eat like guava or others, no problem. But this part, you see, cut here and make it small pieces, and you separate this and this, right? When you make them pieces, so what do? You put in utensil and you have water, you wash it properly because it may have insects. There may be other problems, so it's better to have it washed, and then you keep it separate, no problem. Okay, and then what you do is you have an empty utensil, you keep water and you boil it. When it's boiling at 100 degrees centigrade, you understand, you can put those pieces of broccoli into this and you keep it boiling for 1.5 minutes, that is 90 seconds or so. You can cover this by the lid, no problem, right? So if you do not put lid over it, then you can make it longer, maybe more than 2 minutes. When you have put the broccoli and boiled it under boiled water for 1.5 minutes, and the lid is cover, okay, if the lid is over the pot, then you can have just for 1 hour and 1 minute and 30 seconds. And if you do not have lid, you may go for 2 minutes or more. Then you again filter, do not have any water in it, right? And then you eat as salad. And when you are having salad, what you can do, cucumber, right? There are seasonal fruits here, cashew, seasonal fruits. So different fruits you can, different vegetables, different things you can put in your salad. And you have lemon. It's your choice. And when you have cucumber, do not have tomato, because tomato and cucumber, they get digested in separate way. There are differences between digestion system between cucumber and tomato, right? So if you have it in the morning, then you have tomato in the afternoon or at night. But it's better to have tomato in the morning and then cucumber in the afternoon, because tomato is little bit heavy, right? It has sugar, but it doesn't have sugar. And tomato has water in it, but it has almost 90%, 95% water in cucumber. So if you have tomato in the daytime and in the evening or at night, cucumber, that may be better. It doesn't much matter. But together may create gas, right? Bloating may take place, whatever. So one thing is important in tomato, you have lycopene. Lycopene is very much good for cancer. If someone has cancer, he should have lycopene, and a lot of lycopene is available in a tomato, right? And if you have tomato in a salad, it's not that good for cancer, but it's even better when you have it cooked. So you have curry and you have cooked the tomato and then have it. That's better for your cancer prevention or getting rid of cancer when somebody is having cancer disease. That's it for now. Thanks for watching.